hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Yeah, buddy, you just got us, man. What do you think about that shenanigans, man?
Next level.
Next level, hey? Out of all the crazy things you have seen and done in your life, what do you think about skydiving?
Processing at the moment, but it was next level. Yeah, I would love to go solo now.
Oh, there we go, dude. You should come and do the solo course, man. Here at Skydive Toronto, we can teach you how to be a skydiver on your own.
Yes, sir.
From Sebastian and myself at Skydive Toronto, brother, you just became a skydiver today,
Thank
man.
you so much.
Woo! Yeah.